Please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. Sage here for kalkinemedia. Today's trending topic is iron ore slumps to 4-month lows. ASX Iron Ore Stocks are in focus. Iron ore prices have constantly been under pressure by China's decision to curb steel output in the second half of 2021, in line with the country's decarbonisation drive. The iron ore 62% 1-month future closed in the Chinese yuan 1,007 a tonne on the Dalian Commodity Exchange. On Thursday, 5th of August 2021, on the back of a weak demand from Chinese steel mills due to steel production controls. And during the day's trade, iron ore prices for the September delivery slumped to 999 Chinese yuan a tonne, levels the lowest in the past 4 months. Prices of Australia's most valuable export commodity reached the lowest level since May and triggered losses up to 19.8% relative to the all-time high levels during mid-May. And iron ore prices started to nosedive from mid-June on China's steel output cut decision to meet environmental goals. Significant losses in the iron ore prices were recorded after China asked if steel mills were to limit their annual output for the year to the 2020 output figures. The country's output volume grew nearly 12% during the first half of 2021 relative to the previous year. China's largest private steel producer, Shangang Group, has been cutting its production and overseas sales to comply with government efforts to curb carbon emissions. In the backdrop of this, let's have a look now at 3 blue-chip iron ore stocks that remain in focus and have gained more than 20% in the last 1 year. Let's begin with FORTESCUE Metals Group Limited. FORTESCUE Metals Group Limited is the world's 4th largest iron ore producer. The miner has beaten its financial year 21 production guidance of 182 MT by delivering 182.2 MT of iron ore in the financial year, while the company's last quarter shipment was 49.3 MT. BHP Group Limited. BHP Group Limited is the world's global resource company that is engaged in the exploration and production of minerals, metals and petroleum. The miner achieved record production of iron ore from its Western Australia operations. The company's Goonyella operation also attained record productions, with the South Flank Iron Ore project hitting the first production in May 2021. Rio Tinto Limited. Rio Tinto Limited is part of the world's 2nd largest metals and mining group. Rio's iron ore shipments from the Pilbara region decreased nearly 3% in the first half of financial year 21 relative to the previous corresponding period. The lower production was attributed to sustained wet weather, primarily at the West Pilbara and Robe Valley operations. Red Hill Iron Limited. Red Hill Iron Limited is an Australia-based iron ore company. In a significant announcement made by the Iron Ore Explorer on Monday, RHI decided to sell its 40% interest in the Red Hill Iron Ore joint venture to Mineral Resources Limited for 400 million Australian dollars. And BCI Minerals Limited is next. BCI Minerals Limited is an Australia-based iron ore company which is developing a salt and potash business supported by iron ore royalty earnings. The company has registered a record quarterly Iron Valley EBITDA of 32.2 million Australian dollars, nearly 60% higher than the previous corresponding period. And BCI also reported a cash balance of 79.4 million Australian dollars with zero debt. FENIX Resources Limited. FENIX Resources Limited is an ASX-listed Western Australia-focused iron ore miner, and the company holds and operates its flagship Iron Ridge iron ore project. As per a recent update, the miner is progressing towards the exploration of the iron ore joint venture at its Pharos project. Thanks for joining us. If you like the information, please like, share, comment on the video below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, press the bell icon, you'll be notified of the latest videos. For more information and regular updates, head to the website kalkinemedia.com. Sage here for kalkinemedia.